Hey guys, it's Anna, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing a loungewear lookbook. So every single outfit is going to include either track pants, sweatpants, a hoodie, or all of the above. This is what I wear basically 24/7. I'm sure a lot of you guys are the exact same. Comfort is my priority. If you guys want to see more loungewear lookbooks, comment down below / like this video because honey, I have a lot of looks to show you. We're gonna get started with the first outfit. The main thing about achieving a cute casual look is just accessorizing. So in a lot of these outfits I do either incorporate tons of jewelry or hats. I do my hair a different way. Also, I always wear my white tube socks if I'm wearing any sort of sweatpant or track pant, just because they're so cute. And with like tighter sweatpants, I just like having them peek out. This first outfit is all about layering. I paired my favorite tracksuit, which is from Aritzia. It's just heather gray sweatpants and matching crew neck. And then I just tied my Gap hoodie around my waist, which is in a similar heather gray color. And the navy blue on that Gap, I decided to incorporate in the hat. So I'm wearing a navy blue baseball cap, which I've been loving navy recently. This outfit's just like super sporty and definitely one of the more casual ones. This second look is one of my favorites. So I basically incorporated this whole look around my Jordan 4 Breds, which are my favorite shoes at the moment. If you do want to just have the black tighter top and the black sweatpants, you can definitely do that. I do love layering. Layering is like my thing. So I incorporated a red crew neck over top, and I have the mock neck of my shirt peeking out. It also has a bow tie on the back neck, which is really cute when it just like peeks over the sweater. The hat brings the outfit to a whole nother level. It just looks so put together, super chic. I just love coordinating my outfits, so I usually pick one piece and build off of that for my entire outfit. I do have a lot of color in my wardrobe, so it's easier to pull pieces that match. Again, this outfit is centered around my Jordan 4 Motorsports. These are another fave of mine. I love Jordans in general. They're my favorite shoes, especially Jordan 4s. I played off of the blue, obviously. The track pants that I'm wearing are from Adidas. I'm wearing a vintage Dolce and Gabana long sleeve. Having a basic white shirt with a cool graphic on it is definitely an essential piece for your wardrobe. Then I just added my Adidas crew neck. I'm, as I said, always wearing a crew neck, so I love just having one on me, whether it's in your bag or if you want to incorporate it directly into your outfit. So I just have this on my shoulders, kind of resting. You obviously can wear it on as I show, tie it around your waist, tie it across your chest, literally anything, especially since it's so oversized. These pants are my favorite pants ever. These are a size extra large men's, so as you can tell, they're really oversized. I opened the zipper on the ankle just a bit so my shoe peeks out with the crew socks, and the Kelly green color is just amazing. I actually have a lot of Kelly green in this exact shade. The sweater that I paired it with is from Topshop. If you don't have the exact color to match, I suggest just always pairing a white crew neck. Those are all of the outfits for this video. I just thought it was so relevant to upload this right now because it's basically all that we're wearing. So I hope that you guys take some inspiration from this video, pull your own cute looks. Also, let me know if you guys like when I kind of talk through and explain the outfits. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. What the fuck was that?